Look, this is Medjugorje live. This is Apparition Hill. Look at this.
Yes, we'll come back this way. Okay, I'm good. Good? Yeah. Don't worry, we'll be back this way.
What's that? What was it?
Isn't that beautiful? This is live from Apparition Hill, Medjugorje. It's just amazing to see that. Have a joyful day wherever you are. There's the next group. You see a lot of people are longing for salvation. They are longing for God, and you can find answers here. If you come to Medjugorje, you will see why are these masses coming. At around 60 million people since 41 years coming here to Medjugorje. I'm a living proof. There are answers to every question in your life. Come to Medjugorje and see the beauty of God, Our Lady, and Jesus ourselves. These people are from America, coming here a long way. Why would they all come here if there is not something here? God bless you all, and come to Medjugorje. You will find answers, I promise you. God bless you all from Medjugorje. I'm going to pray for you here, and have a beautiful day wherever you are. Bye bye.